Sunrise is a promise, the moonlight is a blessing. Hold on to the faith. Jah light never fail. Before the rooster greet the dawn, me rise before the early morn. Me breathe the fresh and cool sea air, and thank Jah for his loving care. The hills awake in golden light, pushing back the longest night. The flowers open one by one, smiling to the rising sun. Me have crossed some rocky rivers, felt the cold and lonely shivers. Still my spirit never break. Every trial make me wake. Me learn patience from the mountain, hope from every flowing fountain. Strength no come from pride alone, it grow inside a faithful soul. Me no envy silver treasure or the richest people measure. Love is wealth that never end. Peace is every faithful friend. When we share without condition, we fulfill a greater mission. Every smile that we create, open up a brighter gate. Though the thunder shake the sky, keep your vision lifted high. Though the wind may bend the tree, faith will set your spirit free. A Jah light never fail, even when shadows fall. Jah light never fail, still it answer every call. One love guide the way, every night and every day. Through the sunshine, through the rain, hope will always reign. When I let the children playing, laughing, running, never swaying. Music drifting through the square, good vibrations everywhere. Grandma humming ancient songs, teaching where the heart belongs. Grandpa tell the younger youth, always walk beside the truth. The farmer bless the fertile ground, wait until the crops abound. The fisherman breed the sea with courage and humility. The mason build another wall, making shelter safe for all. The teacher lights another flame, helping every child proclaim. Different faces, different names, till our hearts burn with one flame. Every culture, every race, carry beauty, carry grace. If we stand with open mind, peace is easier to find. When the evening breeze start blowing, hear the reggae rhythm flowing, bassline deep like ocean floor, calling everyone once more. Sweet guitar and steady drum, tell the weary soul, come. Voices rising to the sky, like the eagle soaring high. If your brother lose him way, stand beside him, let him stay. If your sister shed a tear, show her love and draw her near. Every caring word we say can brighten someone's darkest day. Love no weaken when it's shared, it grows stronger cause we care. Like the lighthouse by the sea, be a light for all to see. Like the stars that never sleep, keep your promises your key. Like the roots beneath the ground, hold on firm when storms surround. Like the dawn after the night, walk forever in Jah light. Let forgiveness heal the pain, wash away resentment stain. Plant good seeds in every land, lift each other hand in hand. Double blossom like the spring, when together voices sing. Jah light never fade, forever burning bright. One love lead the nations, with mercy, truth and light. Through the sunshine, through the rain, faith and courage still remain. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame, forever praise Jah's holy name. Yeah, yeah. whispers of the ocean, feel the rhythm of the earth. From the old roots to the new generation, the music live forever, one love. Yeah. When the morning break the silence and the first birds start to sing, me feel the power of creation, like a brand new song begin. The sunlight touch the hillside, painting gold across the land. And me thank Jah every morning for the blessings in me hand. Me have traveled through the valleys, I have walked beneath the rain, I have learned from every struggle, and I grew beyond the pain. Every road has left a message, every step has made me wise. Every challenge that me conquer put more strength inside me eyes. Me no need a life of riches or a throne above the rest. A peaceful heart and honest living, that is where me find me best. When we share love with another, when we help somebody stand, we create a better future with compassion in our hand. When the waves become restless and the wind begin to call, remember roots are deep beneath us, so we never truly fall. Echoes from the island calling through the sea, songs of love and freedom living inside we. One heart, one family, together we can be. Through the sunshine, through the rain, love remains eternally. Love remains eternally. Down the road where children playing, hear the laughter fill the air. Simple joy around the village, showing life can be so fair. Mothers singing while them working, fathers building every day, elders sharing ancient stories, passing wisdom on the way. The farmer wake before the sunrise, with a vision in his mind, planting hope into the side, leaving blessings far behind. The fisherman fears the ocean, with the courage of a king, knowing every rising tide brings another chance to sing. The teacher open doors of knowledge, helping dreams begin to grow. The artist paint a world of beauty, with the colors that them show. Every person plays a rhythm in the song of human life. Every hand can bring a blessing, every heart can end a strife. When the moonlight touch the water and the stars begin to shine, hear the reggae drums returning with a melody divine, and bass line rolling through the night, guitar crying sweet and slow. Every note become a message, every beat begin to glow. People dancing near the shoreline, moving freely with the sun. Different stories, different journeys, but one love is all around. Music break away the barriers that separate me and you, showing every soul together there is something we can do. If you see somebody struggling, give encouragement and care. If you see somebody lonely, let them know somebody's there. Little kindness can become like a river running wide, your spirit standing strong. Like the drums of generations, carry wisdom through the song. Like the mountain reaching upward, keep your dreams above the ground. Like the waves that never stop, keep your purpose moving round. Ow, ow, ow. Teach the youth to love creation, teach respect for every soul. Show them unity and patience, help them find their inner goal. Protect the earth and all its beauty, keep the oceans clean and bright. Be a legacy of kindness, be a candle in the night. Yeah, years will pass like ocean currents, time will move and the seasons change, but the love we give each other will remain beyond the age. Not the fame or worldly treasures make a person truly great. It is how we treat each other that can change another fate. So we sing beneath the sunset with gratitude inside my soul, for the journey and the lessons that have helped me become whole. May the echoes keep on calling, may the rhythm never cease. May the world discover kindness and the blessing of true peace. Echoes from the island, rising to the sky. Songs of love and freedom will never fade or die. One heart, one family, forever we will be. Through the sunshine, through the rain, love lives eternally. Yeah. The ocean keep talking, the drums keep beating, the drums keep beating, the drums keep growing, the people keep hoping. One love, Rastafari.
Yeah, yeah. Rastafari. Feel the island breeze, hear the waves upon the shore. Let the music lift your soul. One love forever. Hey. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah. Early morning by the hour, golden sunshine touch the water. Fishing boats begin to sail, following the gentle trail. Palm leaves dancing in the breeze, whispering through mango trees. Every heartbeat find a rhyme, moving with the hands of time. Barefoot children laugh together, running free in any weather. Their smiles brighter than the dawn, like new hope is being born. Mother singing while them cook, fathers resting by the brook. Every home a melody, filled with love and harmony. Me have learned through every mile, keep a grateful heart and smile. Life may bend like bamboo tree, still it stands so proud and free. Storms may shake the tallest hill, but a faithful heart stands still. Jah provide what we require, keeping hope alive like fire. Lift your eyes beyond the pain, every cloud will lose its rain. Hold the faith and never cease, walk each day in love and peace. Sweet reggae breeze blowing through the trees, carry every prayer so high, floating to the endless sky. One love, one family, living strong and living free. Through the sunshine, through the rain, joy will always rise again. Evening market full of laughter, music echo long thereafter. Old guitar and steady drum, calling everyone to come. Neighbors gather everywhere, sharing stories everywhere. Young and old all sing as one, celebrating setting sun. The baker rise before daylight, making bread so warm and bright. The carpenter with patient hand, building dreams across the land. The tailor stitch another seam, helping someone wear a dream. Every worker, every trade adds another joyful shade. No one stand above another. Every sister, every brother, different journeys, different names, still we share the same flame. Kindness is the richest gold, worth much more than wealth untold. When the stars begin to sparkle and the crickets sing so gentle, bassline shake the village ground with a warm and peaceful sound. Naya bingy drums beat slow and deep, awakening the dreams we keep. Voices blend beneath the moon, hearts united by the tune. If you never stumble up, help them rise and onward go. If you're strange and need a friend, open arms without pretend. Every blessing that we share, multiply beyond compare. Love return 1,000 ways, brightening all our future days. Like the ocean kiss the sand, peace should cover every land. Like the rainbow after rain, hope can bloom again, again. Like the sunrise every dawn, darkest night is always gone. Stand together, proud and true, let compassion shine through you. Teach the youth to love creation, honor every tribe and nation. Guard the forest, guard the sea, leave a world that's wild and free. Every seed of kindness grown turns tomorrow into home. Sweet reggae breeze flowing through the trees, carry songs of unity across every land and sea. One love lights the way, brighter with each passing day. Through the sunshine, through the rain, reggae live and love remain. Yeah. Sweet breeze blowing, drums still playing, hearts still smiling. One love forever, Rastafari. Yeah, yeah. Rastafari, feel the warmth of the sunrise, hear the rhythm of the earth. Another day, another blessing, another chance to spread love. One love. Oh yeah. When the morning light comes shining over rivers, hills and trees, me hear the voice of nature riding softly on the breeze. The birds them sing a melody, the flowers start to bloom, and the world awake from darkness, welcome in the afternoon. Me walk along the pathway with gratitude inside me heart, knowing every brand new morning is another chance to start. Me have seen the road get rocky, me have felt the heavy rain, but the strength inside me spirit always help me rise again. Me no carry fear forever, me no let the past remain. Every lesson from the journey turn the struggle into gain. For the soul that keeps believing will discover brighter skies, and the heart that walks with kindness finds the courage deep inside. When the night seems near and the stars are hard to see. Hold on to the light within you. There is hope waiting patiently. Blessings in the morning light, shining warm and shining bright. One love flowing like this sea, bringing peace and harmony. Through the sunshine, through the rain, we will dance and rise again. Keep the faith and keep the flame, forever praise Jah's name. Down the village road I'm walking, people greet the coming day. Every hand is busy working, every heart has something to say. The farmer touch the fertile ground with respect for what it gives. The fisherman fears the ocean with courage as he lives. The baker share the morning bread with a smile upon his face. The builder create a shelter, giving families a place. The teacher open minds and hearts like a door into the sky, helping children chase their dreams, helping spirits learn to fly. The elders sit beneath the tree, sharing stories from before. Every word carry a lesson, every memory carry more. You them carry dreams tomorrow like the stars that light the night. With ambition and compassion, them can make the future bright. Them can make the future bright. Oh. When the evening breeze start moving and the moon begin to rise, hear the reggae drums are calling underneath the painted skies. Bassline roll across the village like the heartbeat of the land. Every rhythm bring together every woman, every man. People dancing near the shoreline, feeling free and feeling blessed, leaving worries far behind them, finding peace inside them chest. Music speak a universal language that every soul can understand. Love become the bridge between us, stretching wide across the land. If you see somebody lonely, give them comfort and a smile. If you see somebody struggling, walk beside them for a while. Smile, kindness from the heart can become a mighty tree. One simple act of caring can create a better destiny. Hey, like the river keep on flowing, never stop beneath the sun. Like the mountain keep on standing, strong when storms have come and gone. Like the eagle keep on soaring, higher than the clouds above. Keep your spirit always guided by the power of true love. Yeah. Teach the children about respect, teach them patience, teach them care. Show them every living creature has a purpose everywhere. Protect the earth and all creation, keep the oceans clean and blue. Leave a world of hope and beauty for the generations coming through. When the years become a memory and the seasons pass away, may the love we gave each other be the light that always stay. Not the treasures we collected or the things we left behind, but the kindness and compassion living deeply in mankind. So some me sing beneath the sunrise with a thankful heart today. May the music keep on traveling, may the message find a way. Every soul deserves some kindness, every heart deserves some peace. May the world continue growing where love and hope increase. Hey, yeah. Blessings in the morning light, guiding us, shining us through every night. One love shining endlessly across the land and sea. Through the sunshine, through the rain, hope will rise again. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame, forever praise Jah's name. Yeah. Sun is rising, hearts are smiling, drums are calling, dreams are growing. Rastafari. From the mountain peaks to the crystal blue sea, hear the drums of freedom, feel the heartbeat of creation. Every sunrise is another blessing. Every breath is another chance. Before the first bird starts to sing, before the church bells softly ring, me open up me heart in prayer, giving thanks that Jah is there. Golden sunlight floods the land like a touch from Jah's own hand. Morning breeze so fresh and sweet, moving gently through the street. The sugar cane dancing a wind, every day a chance begin. Banana leaves clap with delight, welcoming the morning light. The river sparkle cool and clear, carrying hope from year to year. Nature singing harmony, teaching love and unity. Me have traveled many roads, carried every unseen load. Sometimes tears fall from me eyes, still me dreams continue rise. Every valley shape me soul, every mountain make me whole. Through the thunder and the rain, me find strength again, again. When the clouds hide all the blue, just still is watching you. Every storm will fade away, making room for brighter day. Rise with the morning sun, every race, everyone. Lift your heart, lift your voice, let love always be your choice. One love shining endlessly across every land and sea. Through the sunshine, through the rain, hope will always live again. Village wake with joyful sound, friendly greetings all around. Fresh bread baking fills the air, simple blessings everywhere. Children running to the school, learning every golden rule. Teachers writing dreams in chalk, showing hope in every tag. The farmer greed the fertile ground, knowing harvest soon be found. The fisherman preparing boat, trusting faith to keep afloat. The mechanic fix the wheel, working hard with honest zeal. The artist create another sky, showing dreams can always fly. Grandma home an ancient song, keeping our tradition strong. Grandpa smile beneath the tree, sharing wisdom patiently. Every elder leaves behind treasures greater than we find. Lessons passed from heart to heart, giving every child a start. When the evening starts to fall, music answer nature's call. Bass guitar begin to roll like a heartbeat in the soul. Steel pan sparkle clear and bright, painting colors through the night. Naya pinky drums beat slow, like the rivers gently flow. Neighbors gather in a square, smiles and laughter everywhere. Some are dancing, some are singing, happy voices always ringing. No one asking who is rich, no one judging every stitch. Only music, only grace, joy reflected on each face. If your brother lose him way, walk beside him every day. If your sister carry pain, neighbors smile again, again. Every act of kindness done shine much brighter than the sun. Like the lighthouse by the sea, guide the lost to liberty. Like the giant banyan tree, stand with strength and dignity. Like the eagle riding wing, leave discouragement behind. Like the sunrise after night, always choose the path of life. Teach the youth to love the earth, teach them every soul has worth. Guard the rivers, hills and streams, protect tomorrow's precious dreams. Plant compassion every hour. Ooh. Love is humanity's greatest power. Different languages we speak, different mountains, different creed, different customs, different trees. Still we share the self same days. Every heartbeat sounds alike. Rastafari. Hear the drums in the distance. Feel the warmth of the morning light. Every storm has an ending. Every night we'll meet the dawn. One love. Hey. One love. Hey. When the rain falls upon the valley and the clouds cover the sky, me still see a little sunshine waiting for the world nearby. The flowers bend beneath the weather, but them roots remain so strong, like the heart that keeps believing, even when the road feel long. Me have known the days of struggle, when the weight felt hard to bear. Still me found a little courage in the love that people share. Every challenge was a teacher, every moment had a role. Every river that me cross help restore me tired soul. Me no let the past define me, or the troubles hold me down. Me keep walking with a purpose, searching for the higher ground. For the heart that chooses kindness will discover endless grace, and the soul that walks with love will always find a peaceful place. When the thunder shake the mountain and the wind begin to call, remember every sunrise comes after every fall. Sunshine after the rain, hope will rise again. Through the tears and through the pain, love will heal the heart again. One love shining bright, guiding through the night. When the darkness disappears, a brighter day is near. Morning wake across the village with the smell of fresh made bread. Hear the footsteps of the workers as another day spread. Children running through the pathway with their dreams inside their eyes, looking forward to tomorrow, like the birds that learn to fly. The farmer work the fertile land with patience in his hand. The fisherman ride the ocean, serving people on the land. The builder raise another shelter, giving families a place. The teacher share knowledge freely, leaving wisdom and embrace. Every person has a journey, every soul has something bright. Some are walking through the shadow, searching for a little light. Be the voice that brings encouragement, be the hand that helps them stand. A small act of love and mercy can transform the whole wide land. Hey. When the sunset touch the ocean and the stars begin appear, hear the reggae rhythm calling, bringing everybody near. Bassline rolling like the thunder, guitar singing through the air. Every drum beat tell a message that somebody truly care. People gather by the shoreline, sharing stories of their days. Some are dancing, some are singing, giving thanks in different ways. Music carry dreams and memories from the elders to the youth, keeping alive the ancient lessons, keeping strong the roots of truth. If you see somebody broken, give them hope instead of blame. If you see somebody searching, help them find a brighter flame. Love is not a thing for hide away. Love is meant for overflow, like the river reaching ocean. Let compassion always flow, like the rainbow after rainfall. Beauty comes from every storm, like the tree that bends with weather, still it keeps its strongest form. Like the eagle in the heavens, keep your vision lifted high. Like the stars that shine forever, keep your light across the sky. Teach the the children about patience. Teach them kindness and respect. Show them every living creature has a purpose to protect. Plant the seeds of peace and friendship. Let them grow in every place. Build a world where love and mercy can forever leave a trace. When me look back at the journey and the roads me travel through, me can see each little moment make me stronger, make me true. Every person that me met there left a message in me heart. Every ending brought a beginning, every finish brought a start. So me sing beneath the sunrise with gratitude and pride, knowing God's love and blessings always walking by my side. May the music keep on flowing, may the message travel far. May every soul discover the light that lives within their heart. Sunshine after the rain, hope will rise again. One love brighter than before, opening every door. Through the sunshine, through the sunshine, through the rain, through the rain. Faith and joy will still remain. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame, forever praise God's name. Yeah, yeah. Rain is falling, the sun is rising, hearts are healing, dreams surviving. One love forever, Rastafari.
Rastafari. Hear the drums calling from the valley. Feel the spirit rising with the morning sun. Every step is a blessing, every breath is a new beginning. One love. When the first light touched the mountain and the mist begin to clear, me hear the voice of nature saying, keep your purpose always near. The river flowing down the hillside, carrying stories from before, like a song from ancient ancestors, echoing forevermore. Me, I walked through many seasons, seeing the changes of the time. Some days bring a heavy burden, some days bring a mountain climb. But me never stop believing, even when the road was tough. Jah gives strength to every traveler when the journey feel enough. Me no measure life by riches or the things that come and go. True wealth live inside the kindness and the love we always show. Every hand that help another, every heart that choose to care, build a bridge across the distance, show the world that hope is there. When the storm clouds go over the sky, lift your spirit, don't ask why. Every night must meet the dawn, every weakness can be strong. Oh, mountain of faith, standing tall through every way. One love carry we through, making dreams become true. Higher than the clouds above, guided by eternal love. Through the sunshine, through the rain, we will rise again. Oh, morning come across the village, hear the footsteps on the ground. People working with devotion, building hope from all around. Children running through the pathway, with laughter filling up the air, showing innocence and beauty, showing life is truly rare. The farmer wake before the sunrise with gratitude
Gratitudinize art, planting seeds of future blessings, watching nature play its part. The fisherman sail the ocean with the waves beneath his feet, knowing every changing current has a lesson it can teach. The carpenter shaped the timber, building shelter for the old. The teacher opened up the pages, showing minds how far them roam. Every worker, every dreamer, every person young and old has a story worth remembering, has a spirit worth more gold. When the evening stars are shining and the moonlight touch the sea, hear the reggae rhythm calling, bringing hearts together free. Bass line rolling through the night air, like a heartbeat from the line. Every drum become a message, every voice become a people dancing in a unity, sharing joy beneath the sky. No division, no confusion, only love as time pass by. Music heal the tired spirit, music bring the people near. Music tell us we are stronger when we choose to persevere. If you see somebody struggling, give them hope along the way. If you see somebody lonely, bring some sunshine to them there. Every little act of kindness can create a wave of change. Like a river finding ocean, love can travel far and strange. Like the mountain facing weather, stand with courage through the years. Like the roots beneath the ground, hold your dreams and calm your fears. Like the eagle in the heavens, spread your wings and learn to fly. Like the sunrise after darkness, keep your vision toward the sky. Teach the children about compassion, let them grow with truth and grace. Show respect for every culture, every person, every place. Protect the earth that gives us living, honor rivers, trees and seas. Leave a world where love is stronger, where every heart can breathe. When tomorrow comes before us with its questions still unknown, we will walk with faith beside us, never walking all alone. Every dream that lives within us, every hope that we defend, can become a light for others, a beginning without end. Me don't need a golden palace or a name written in stone. Me just want to leave some kindness wherever me have gone. If one person finds some courage from the words that me have sung, then me journey has a meaning and me purpose has begun. Mountain of faith, standing strong through every day. One love shining bright, guiding every way. Through the sunshine, through the rain, hope will rise again. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame forever. Praise Jah's name, yeah, yeah. Oh, Rastafari. Yeah, yeah. Rastafari. Feel the warmth of the flame, yeah. Hear the drums in the distance. Every heart carry a story, every soul carry a light. Keep the fire burning. When the morning sun come rising, over hills and over sea. Me see a world full of blessings waiting there for you and me. The birds begin a new song, the flowers open wide, and the gentle ocean current keep moving with the tide. You remember all the moments when the road was hard to walk, all the nights of uncertainty, all the lessons from the dark. But me never stop believing, never let my spirit fall, 'cause the strength inside a person can overcome it all. Me no carry it or anger, me no let bitterness stay. Me choose love and understanding as me guide along the way. Every heart deserve compassion, every dream deserve a chance. When we stand with one another, we create a brighter dance. Well, when the wind begin to blow, let your inner courage grow. When the clouds cover the sky, keep your vision lifted high. Yeah. Keep the fire burning deep inside your soul. Let the light of love remind you, you can always become whole. One love forever shining like the stars above the sea, through the sunshine, through the rain. We will always remain free. Down the village streets are waking, hear the footsteps on the ground. People working, people smiling, positive vibes all around. The baker making fresh bread, the farmer tending land, the fisherman facing ocean with courage in his hand. The teacher sharing wisdom like a river running clear, helping children build tomorrow with a vision bright and near. The builder raising shelters, giving families a place. Every worker brings a blessing, every effort leaves a trace. The elders tell the stories from the days that came before, keeping culture, keeping memories, passing wisdom evermore. Youth them carry new dreams with imagination bright. They are candles of tomorrow, they are future shining light. When the evening moon is glowing and the stars begin to show, hear the reggae rhythm calling with that peaceful steady flow. Bassline rolling like the ocean, drums beating like a heart. Every melody a message, every lyric play a part. People gather by the shoreline, sharing laughter and the sky. No one asking where you come from, no one asking reasons why. Music bring the souls together like a bridge across the land. Love become the greatest language everybody understand. If you see somebody tired, give them strength to carry on. If you see somebody searching, help them find another dawn. Small compassion from the heart can become a mighty wave. One simple act of kindness can be something someone say. Like the tree that bends in storm times, till it rises after rain. Like the river through the valley, finds its pathway once again. Like the eagle in the heavens, keep your dreams beyond the fear. Like the sunrise every morning, know a brighter day is near. Protect the earth and creation, show respect for every place. Teach forgiveness, teach compassion, let humanity embrace. Plant the seeds of peace and friendship, let them grow across the land. Together we can build tomorrow, hand in hand, heart to heart. When the years are past behind us and we look back on the road, we will see the love we shared was the greatest gift we showed. Not the money or the power, not the things we leave behind, but the kindness in our actions that will live inside mankind. So me sing another melody, let the whole wide world hear. Keep believing in tomorrow, keep the vision strong and clear. Every sunrise brings a promise, every heartbeat brings a chance. Keep the fire burning brightly,
fire burn,
never let it fade.
one love is the answer.
The foundation we have made.
Through the sunshine, through the rain,